welcome back.
Ça, des citrons.
So today, I love kaki. So it's period of kaki.
On va faire un jus.
So kaki, delicious kaki.
Je sais pas si c'est au mieux, hein, mais bon.
Okay.
Le premier rien.
Yes. Okay.
Je fais ce
It's kaki.
Ça, on va mettre ici, parce qu'on va faire l'organisation. Et j'ai pris aussi les avocats. J'ai pris ce que je pouvais aussi, hein. Tu verras.
The zabuka, okay. And today po, good morning po sa lahat. Today, I'm preparing a typical Filipino food na po. So, yan. So, this is jackfruit, langka, jack in French. So, usually in France, I mean, I'm here in France, so I can't buy fresh one. So, I buy this in some Chinese supermarket na po. So this is already chopped, and my meat costs like maybe 3 euros or something. So, and we're going to need some coconut milk, and we do how do you say this one? It's jackfruit with coconut milk. And then we will put some different kinds of leaves. This one is a dried taro leaves, and this one is a fresh patat douce. It's the leaves of the patat douce, which is very rich in iron. So when you're going to plant some patat douce or potato, sweet potato, don't throw up. You can use this one, and you have many use of that. You can use that in just in the wok to put some garlic. I will show you how to do that. And then I have the lemongrass. So yung lemongrass is also growing here in France po. So we have this in our garden. Then we were going to put some shrimps to taste. So I don't put a lot of shrimps, just 4 shrimps and 2 for me, 2 for Frankie. And then we have mackerel, so galunggong. So mackerel, we love that fish. It's not very expensive here in France. It always costs like 7 euros a kilo, or sometimes 6 euros a kilo. So it's really good kasi maganda po siya. I mean, it's good for our health. So it's like salmon, but salmon is more expensive. And me, I'm not really a salmon girl, but I eat also salmon. But I prefer fish with on dit en French, poisson entier. So I love when whole fish. So I usually buy fillet when my parents-in-law are here with us. But then if just me and Frank, we usually buy some whole fish, yung ganyan po. So entier, poisson entier. So let's go. So this one, it already take off the leaves. Normally you have to take off this hard one. So this is yeah, Frankie. So Frankie is hungry because we are dieting. So to get the taste of this one, you have to you need something to like this, huh? So you just have to pat like this. So you like tak 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 tak. So it will be like parang yan, destroyed. So I will just cut that and put this one here. So this one I'm going to wash. This one I will wash. And this one I will show you how to do this. Fresh taro. This one is dry taro. So I dried this one maybe like 1 week already. So this one you have to take that off like this. Even if it's fresh too, we always have to take the skin, no, of the branch. But be careful with the taro. You just have to know, because you have some taro. It's when you eat that, it's like very itchy in the tongue. The tongue. You must know the. Say you have many kinds of varieties of this one, so you have to be very careful. Me at first, when I cook, I see to it that I only put a little, then I taste that if it's not really itchy in the tongue. So it's quite risky, but if you know, and if you have some people or some Asian people selling that in your flea market, you can ask them, you can trust them, because if they sell that and they say that you can eat the leaves, it's really true, because they're using it for cuisine. So, we have this hulog. I'm going to wash that too. So we need some ginger. So I prepare first the jack with coconut milk. So when I prefer some ginger, I don't take off the skin, I just wash it very nicely, because the skin have a lot of antioxidant too. So just this one, we need some garlic and onions. Garlic, onions. So I'm going to, this one I always do like this because I'm going to plant. Yeah, I always plant, so I take off like that. Oh, my husband is noisy. So we have this garlic, and then this one we're going to cut like that. It's difficult to cut to prepare jack in the fresh one, huh? So maybe in Philippines when we go there, see you there in January. So we're going to have a 2 months vacation in Philippines with my husband, and then Osh is going to rejoin us. She's currently in Shanghai, doing as an exchange student, studying Mandarin. So she's very happy in Shanghai, and she has a nice school there. It's international school. So she's really happy. So we're going to go there too this coming November. So abangan nyo po. We were going to go to Shanghai in November 20, and we will be there like for 14 days. And I will explain you some who are going to be interested how to travel to go to China for the first time. So you have, it's different. So you have many things to prepare. That to use the internet, so it's not like in Philippines when you go there, when you have internet you can use it already, but in China it's quite different. So I will tell you a little that we didn't know before, and I will tell you that after. So we have this fish, we have to concentrate because me, I'm very talkative. So I think we have all, no? So for the jack, so we have the jack, we have the it's facultative if you want some. This one is how do you say? It's espelette. We call this in France piment espelette. So it's a fresh piment espelette. It's not very spicy, but this one is from Philippines, and this one is a little spicy. And we have this the small one, but it's in the garden. So we will put some of this. Ginitaang gulay. So gulay in Filipino, it's vegetable. So ginitaang sari-saring gulay. So we usually eat with rice because we always with the white rice. So we're going to cook white rice. We're going to fry the galunggong, the mackerel, and then ayan, sasarap na naman po tayo na ulam. So ayan na, I mean, we just need some olive oil. Pero if you have some fat pork, it's delicious too, no? So but we don't have, so we just have to use this. So at first we're going to put that like this one. So this one is to taste. No, you can't eat that. It's just the lemongrass just for the taste. Take off the ice. Ayan. So jackfruit. I'll put this one too. That's the taro leaves now. Put the taro leaves. And slow down the fire. It's really, smells really good. The leaves of the patate douce, la feuille de patate douce, we put that after when it's nearly cooked because it's very quick to cook, not to lose the vitamins na po. So we're going to do that. We're going to put the feuille de patate douce or the sweet potato leaves at the end, no, when it's nearly cooked. So this one is Nuoc Nam, it's fish sauce to taste. And then we will put some pepper. So we just have to slow down. And then we're going to cook. We're going to put the sili now. And we just cover that, and we will see after. To fry the mackerel. So depends on you. If you will just, in Philippines, we just sometimes whole of this if it's not too much big, or just to cut that into two and then you fry. Then, or you can open that up like daing po. So usually, me, when my parents-in-law are here, I debone that. But since they're not here, so I can open that up, or just like this, because Frank loves just only like this. So we're just going to cut like that. And then we're going to put some, you have to put here some so in France they don't like this one. They don't like to have this black one in the stomach na po. So they want to take that off. So you have to clean that up with some. Okay. May I see to eat when I fried some fish. I put a lot of pepper, but it's facultative if you don't like too much pepper. So it's not really. So if you can put in the stomach, you put. Then we were going to put some. Before I never use ginger, powdered ginger, because I always want fresh one. But now I usually buy that. And honestly, it was Sammy who bought that ginger powder first. And now I'm using it quite a lot. So, but then if you don't have any ginger powder, so you can use the real ginger and cut that in strips and very finely chopped, and then you can put it in here. So it's really, I mean, in cooking, it's really your own kitchen, so you can do what you want. So we are really free what really this for us. So we're going to fry that one. I'm gonna push it. So if you want to try this one, you must love coconut milk. If you love coconut milk, if you already traveled to Thailand or some like Philippines, we love cooking jackfruit like this because it's like papaya. When it's a green papaya, you can use that as vegetable, and jackfruit is the same thing. So jackfruit, when it's ripe, it's color yellow, or in France it's jaune. It's very, very sweet and have this very sweet perfume na po. So we usually use that in our halo-halo, and some put that when we do our how do you say this one, lumpia? No, not lumpia. The other one, the banana with the lumpia wrapper. So I forgot the name, but this one of the delicacy in Philippines. They fry the banana, they put it in a wrapper, and sometimes they put some strips of jack, the ripe one, it's color yellow, and then it has this perfume. So that. So we're going to taste. Delicious. So it's not hot, so we will put some a little hot. So we cut this one in 3. So this is bon appetit. Natin, we're going to fry the mackerel. So sure that it's really not yet. Not yet hot. na siya. So, we will put the patat dish na po. So, this sweet potato, patat dish leaves. So, pwede patat dish. Here. The fish, you don't have to pluck that. You just have to pluck that only one time na po. Yan. Babalikin nyo lang po yung isang pag yung then after this one is going to be destroyed. Have to be sure that it's really cooked on the other side before you flip it up. I'm using rice cooker because Filipinos like using this one. So that's my rice. So this one, yung rice water, I always keep that for my plants. So it's one of my how do you say this one? One of my fertilizer too is the rice water. So I mix that with something, and I forgot which one, but I usually mix it with something. Then I water that for my plants too. So rice water, I always keep it. And for watering purposes for my vegetables, for my ornament plants, then siya, so we want to I always usually eat this part. This one is for Frank, and I always eat the part of the head. I usually do like this when cooking this one because I want the stomach of the fish is really cooked. So I usually do like that and do like this. Ready. Ayan na. Our fried mackerel. Matching. We'll do sausawan. It's a condiment that we love in Philippines. So before Frank don't like it, but now he loves it. So yeah, we'll just take some shallots. Frank is hungry. Frank is Frank is hungry.
Assiette ou pas assiette?
Assiette.
Je crève de faim. Il est midi, il n'y a rien sur la table.
Come on. So yeah. So that's that. Sometimes I cut big because we take that off with our chopsticks. So yeah.
Look, I have a proof. I have a proof. It's only my meal for today.
No.
Look at this one.
No.
Look. Even the chicken, it's better than me.
No, it's chicken. It's for the chicken.
Yeah, look.
No. Frank, come on. So I'm going to put some. Kulit ah. Sasawa ko ah. I don't know if this one is spicy. I don't think so.
Why is so light? It's Versailles.
Versailles. So we put some milk now.
Milk mom.
Yeah, milk mom. That's fish sauce. And we will put some. Frank, did you forget the lemon? Did you buy? And we put some lemon.
Lemon devant toi.
Lemon, calamansi. So it's good.
The lemon chip.
Okay, so ready. Ciao, Frank.
C'est bon ça.
Yes.
Tu manges quoi toi?
Yeah. Frankie. The go-to fresh. That's orange and pamplemousse juice. And so nilagyan ko po ng pula. I mean this is spicy. Yan. Yan na po yung kay Frank, and me. Bon appetit! Diyan na naman si Franco. Ano? Huwag mo ubusin yan! Yeah, grabe siya tingnan niya po. Tapos mamaya, sisinukin yan. Yan. Ha? April, you okay, ha? Sinok-sinok, ha? Gusto niya talaga. Ali, bon appetit!
Bon appetit, ha?
Yes. Mainit, ha? It's hot.
Huh?
It's hot. The rice. It's hot. Nagiging gwapo ng asawa ko ulit, ha? Kasi na po ulit siya, nag-gym. Nag-gym po kami dalawa. I mean, every day for 1 month. So, we see na wala na po kaming masyadong tummy.
C'est moi.
Allez, bon appétit.
C'est bon, hein?
C'est bon? Love, you like it?
Ouais. Allez.
Good morning po, nasa garden po tayo. So, today I will explain po yung taro, no? So, a lot of people, siguro lahat ng mga French din, I mean, sabi pa, they don't know which taro is, no? So, ayan po yung taro. So maybe some people do that as ornamental na po, but in Asia we eat the leaves. We eat the leaves and we eat the unud, this one. So, if you can buy, kasi, I mean, when you go to Jardiland here in France, because sa mga new viewers po, so, ito po yung if it's expensive kasi I saw. So, when we go to North, we go to different kind of Jardiland and many pepinière that you can buy some ornaments, some vegetables. No, so sometimes it costs like 26 euro one pot. So, but honestly, you can buy this one. This one I bought like this, and I saw some is like, ayan. So I planted. So we'll see what will it give us no after. So I just pay maybe €1 na po. So you will wait, but then after you have a plant after. So ayan. So at this side we have different kinds of sili here. Chilies again. Ayan. So today kasi I'm cooking Filipino food. Ayan. So we're going to get some Filipino leaves that we can put in our menu. So this is kamote tops. So this is patat douce, you know. When you plant patat douce, you have this kind of top leaves, and these leaves, the young ones, we eat that in Philippines, and it's very delicious. It's very good for health. It's I think it's rich of iron and fiber. So we can put that in soup and do some fish soup, and it's really delicious when do some how do you say, some cooking with ayan, nawawala na naman ang pagka-English ko. With coconut milk. I will show you. So we're going to take this young ones. Yeah, not this old, young ones. So, ang dami, I mean, kita nyo dumami siya. So, we'll see kung nag-unod siya na. So, we can find some root crop, potato. And we will take some lemongrass. The lemongrass na po. So you can put that in many kinds of cuisines, no? Many kinds of different kinds of menu. I mean, good for seafoods, good for chicken. When you do some roast chicken, you can put inside yeah. I will show you how to do this.